Hi there, students. Batter. To batter as a verb. A batter as a noun. Batter as an uncountable noun. Battering as an adjective. Okay, let's see. Batter has a variety of meanings. Firstly, to batter, the most prevalent meaning, to hit heavily and repeatedly with violent blows. A battering ram, a medieval castle, and you want to knock down the door. So you have get a tree and you get 10 of you and you carry the tree and you use it as a battering ram to batter down the door. Yeah? To batter, to hit again and again with successive blows in order to shatter, to demolish. The police battered down the door. A woman who has been battered by their husband. Notice legally, a battered person or a battered child is, they have had the offence of battery committed against them. To use force on a person without their consent, yeah? Okay, he was badly battered and had to be hospitalized. And then the police arrested the offender for battery. But okay, so to batter, to hit again and again. And then we can use it sort of metaphorically in various other ways. So to bombard. The press battered him with questions. The artillery guns battered the target. To be subject to strong forces or repeated attacks. This society has been battered by the forces of change. We've been battered by COVID again and again. His confidence was battered by what had happened. Okay, so to batter, to pound, to hit again and again and again. Notice a batter, somebody who is batting. In baseball, they call it the batter. Yeah, the batter hit a home run. Notice in cricket, it's normally the batsman. I was wondering about the word a batswoman. Well, English is very sexist at times. But a batter in baseball or in rounders, very definitely the person batting. And then batter is something you use in cooking. Battery is a mixture of probably egg and flour and maybe water and milk, which you put something in before frying. If you go to the fish and chip shop in England, you can buy battered cod. All of the fish in the fish and chip shop is battered. It has batter round it, yeah? This crispy brown stuff, yeah? If it's very oily, the batter can be absolutely disgusting. Okay, so to batter, to hit a person repeatedly over a long time, yeah? He was battered to death with a rifle. He was battering on the door for half an hour, but he couldn't get in. The wind battered the house for hours. Okay, so to batter, to hit again and again. Batter, a mixture of flour, eggs and milk to make pancakes, for example, as well. Yeah, I made some pancake batter. Fish in batter. The batter, the person in baseball going to hit the ball. Okay, but I think the main one, yeah, to hit something or someone again and again. The rain battered against the roof. The press continually battered the reputation of the politician involved in the scandal. Okay, so this is the idea of to batter, yeah? To hit or strike violently and repeatedly, yeah? Or you can maybe to defeat, to thrash. And we battered the opposition, yeah? And then you could have a battered person, somebody who is consistently beaten or attacked by an abuser, a battered child. And then this thick mixture, you could have cake batter as well, or pancake batter, or batter for your fish and chips, okay, or the person at bat. So batter, how formal is the word batter? To batter, to hit again and again. 5 informality, use it absolutely anywhere. Batter around your fish, pancake batter. 5 informality, use it anywhere. The batter, the person batting, to me sounds rather American, but 5, use it absolutely anywhere again. To batter is a regular verb. The wind battered the trees. He has battered on the door for several days in a row. So, a regular verb. And then the origin comes from French. In French, there's a verb battre, meaning to beat, yeah, to hit against, to batter. It's clearly linked to the word to beat, and that's where it comes from. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to batter you with any more explanations or examples. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Batter.